Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the Paradisiac Beach Club. This beach club is located in St. Anne. That's the northern coastal highway you're looking at in the background. Very nice development. Now this is phase one of the development and it's going to have thousands of homes. Thousands. This is actually just across the road from the Richmond estate, which possibly could be the nicest. It is the nicest development in Jamaica. So this area is, people want to invest in this area. So they're building the beach club at the right spot. Now when finished, it will have up to 3 private beaches. Very nice. And I know there's a lot of discussion now about access to beaches and a lot of discussion about that, but I don't think this beach or the area where this beach club is being built, that beach was never accessible to the public because they leveled the land, cleared it. So it's not one of those instances where Jamaicans no longer have access to the beach. They never had access to these beaches because there were no roads leading down to the beach. Basically, it was just, I guess you could say, bush. So the land was cleared and they started this development. Very nice. I mean, this is perfect for an Airbnb rental. Perfect. It's a secure community. It's a gated community. You're going to have restaurants, a lot of amenities. Everything you find in a modern development, it's here. Easy to get to because Ocho Rios is 15 minutes away, where you have Duns River Falls, Mystic Mountain, all the tourist attractions, restaurants, bars. You have Draxall, which is about 5 minutes away, where you have major development going on. You have Starbucks, KFC. I mean, you name it, it's going to be in Draxall very soon. So this is a perfect place to invest in. And if you want to live here, great. It's close to everywhere. Close to Ocho Rios, close to St. Anne's Bay. You can get to the airport in Montego Bay in no time. So on the right now, you can see when we said there was nothing here. They literally cleared the land. That's one of the beaches straight ahead. It's a private beach. So it's basically for the developments. It's not like you can, because of the terrain, you can't walk from another beach onto this beach. So it's a private beach. Like in Negril, you have the 7 Mile Beach where you can walk from one end to another. Perfect beach in Negril. That's why Negril is so popular. This one, if you look straight ahead, it has like rocks, and so this one is private. You can't walk from another side of the beach to here. Very private. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the drone tour, but this is a kind of development you like to see in Jamaica. And I'm telling you, thousands of these homes are going to be built in this development. Now look over there, you see all those trees, and well, it changed, but that's how the land was. So this development is not taken away from anything. Very nicely done, and it's going to be really spectacular when finished. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this development. Alright guys, have a good day.